equals if your Thermomix TM5 won't start at all, we can help. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. A Thermomix that won't start could be due to a power issue or an internal fault. We check the connections, test the electrical components, and replace any faulty parts to get your mixer running again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.